Sarpanch Kandoli, Sarpanch Kalangut, Arpora, Mr. Dabulkar, Sarpanches, Panches. This plant of 100 tons per day capacity at Saligaon was inaugurated by the visionary leader of Goa, late Chief Minister Parrikar sir, on 16th, in 2016 on 30th May. And more than 5.5 years down the line, the plant has been working. And with the increase of waste, initially more than 25 panchayats were sending captive waste to this plant. As waste increased, as waste characterization also increased, and waste segregation also increased, and I congratulate all the local bodies for this achievement. And hence we had to expand this plant to 250 tons per day capacity. Today that day has come. A very important milestone has been achieved in the waste management of Goa. No city, no state can be called as progressive until we manage the waste of the particular state or particular city. I must say that late Manohar Parrikar sir, along with Minister Michael Lobo sir, had envisaged that a plant has to come here. And I remember one day when I was OSD of late
today. One is we are proud to be associated in the interventions where NABARD has involved somewhere, and this can be a good example of that, where Goa Waste Management Corporation, we have something to say in this matter, not in terms of finance but other things also, where we are exchanging the know-how, wherewithal with them. So this is a good experience. And another reason why we are upbeat is yesterday at the hands of our Honorable Chief Minister, our Honorable PM, Modi Sahab, we were felicitated by the state government, and thanks to our special thanks on behalf of NABARD Chairman and NABARD team Goa and our officer in charge Goa to Honorable Chief Minister Pramod Sawant sir, GWMC, for giving you this opportunity. Thank you.
What was standing here around 6-7 years back, this entire place from our panchayat used to just come and dump garbage. At that time there was no scientific treating, nothing whatsoever. All the mold of garbage, mountains and heaps of garbage used to be here, and there was no solution. We were small panchayat to start anything, nor there was any knowledge or know-how. I mean, waste not only Kalangot but everywhere else in Goa, garbage was just dumped, collected, dumped at a place where no one can see. Because it's all covered with greenery, trees, and had roads. Nobody knew what was there. And at that point of time, as Mr. Levinson said, the visionary leader, Mr. Manohar Parrikar, along with our MLA, Michael Lobo, and led a delegation and went for a study tour across to foreign nations to study how this waste is treated, how this waste is managed. And I think from the various study tours done by different departments, I think this study tour was most fruitful to Goa, because now where we are standing is testimony to us, testimony to all of you to see. When you enter, you must have felt this doesn't look like a waste treatment plant, but looks like a different facility. It looks like a resort or a small guest house. The facilities that they have given us today is like mind-blowing. and they're treating garbage scientifically. We have Hindustan Waste Management Treatment who has put off this scientific process. म्हाका उगडास येता that first आमकां म्हणलेलें की this is a mixed waste plant. So we also started getting mixed waste plant, started throwing, then problem machinery मातशे problem जाताले, and also we also felt for the workers. आमी mixed waste हिंगा उडयतात, then they had to manually segregate waste.
Up to Panjim, Taligaon, which includes Porvorim constituency, parts of Aldana constituency. I think all these panchayats are happy today is only because we have a good facility in this vicinity where the land is around 1,13,000 square meters. We cannot forget the contribution of Comunidad of Kalangut. We have to thank them. And also some other panchayat used to come at night and dump their wet and dry waste over here. This place was like a hillock, what Sean Martins had said. And when I became the MLA, before that also I had visited this site. After that, when I became the MLA, I came over here with the Honorable ex-Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar, along with GSIDC officials. Today we have Mr. Sandeep over here, who was very much instrumental at that particular time to associate with us. He is from GSIDC. The present MD of GSIDC is also here. Bab Harish. And at that particular time, our ex-Chief Minister said that let us go and see the waste treatment plants which are there in Germany, Austria and Italy. आणि म्हाका त्या टायमार खोशी भोगली की आमी एक पावल फुडें मारता म्हणून. थिंगा एक पावल फुडें मारलें आमी आनी डेलिगेशन of all the panchayat sarpanches from North Goa and South Goa. अशें आमी सगळे जाण ऑस्ट्रिया, इटली आनी जर्मनी गेले. आनी आमच्या वांगडा आमी मिडिया लोकांकूय येले, प्रिंट आनी इलेक्ट्रॉनीक मिडिया. नाजाल्यार गोंयचो लोक कितें म्हणपाचें, हे हॉलिडेयाक गेले म्हणून. आमी हे तिनूय प्लांट पयले आनी डिसायड केले असो प्लांट गोंयान जावपाक जाय. आणि त्याच्या उपरांत सगळी प्रक्रिया चालू झाली. GSIDC started this, and that particular time Parimal Rai ji was also over here in Goa. ही गार्बेज आम्ही ट्रीटमेंट चालू केले, व्हडली मशिनरी घातली, ट्रीट केले आणि हेचे पोनाक सगळो तो पावडर जाल्लो गार्बेज हिंगासर आहा. सारको व्हडलो दोंगर आहलो, 2 लाख टन. आनी जिंगा मेन आमची फॅक्टरी आहा थिंगासर सारकी आदी फातोर काडलेले, चिरे म्हणटा पळय ते काडलेले आनी ते चिऱ्याची खोण आमी भरली अलॉंग विथ द ट्रिटेड वेस्ट. तेचेर हो प्लांट उबो आयज. वेगवेगळे ऑफिसर्स जेन्ना आमी प्लांट बांदपाक चालू केले, वेगवेगळे ऑफिसर्स फ्रॉम अराउंड इंडिया केम टू सी वॉट वी आर एक्चुअली डुईंग. 220 टन्स. कित्याक जेन्ना शेकां चालू जाता, साऊथ गोवाचो वेट वेस्ट जो शेकाचेर जनरेट जाता, ट्युरिजम डिपार्टमेंट कलेक्ट करता आनी हाडटा आनी आमकां दिता. वेगवेगळे पंचायती कोणाचो वेस्टूय आनीक कलेक्ट करता भायलो, तोय आमकां दिता. वी नेवर से नो. एंड बाब संदीप and his entire team, साकेत आहा, त्याचे खूप जण आहा, गणेश आहा, सगळ्यांनी बरें काम केलें. आमचे इंजिनियर्स आहा, धीरज, ऑल द अदर इंजिनियर्स, नांवां सगळ्यांची घेयना, काम बरें केलां तेंच्यांनी. रातचे 11-12 सेकंड शिफ्टीचेर काम. सकाळीं काम स्टार्ट जालें, सांजे काबार जावंक जाय, पूण सेकंड शिफ्ट घेतली तेंच्यांनी. कांदोली लोकांक मातशे त्रास जाले. 200 टन्स पर डे येताली, जो कॅपॅसिटी आहलो 100 टन्स. ही गार्बेज आमी खंय तरी एक्स्ट्रा येता म्हणून हो प्लांट सायडीचो सेम एक्सपान्शन ऑफ द प्लांट टू 250 टन्स पर डे करचो म्हणून इमिडिएटली डिसिजन घेतलें आनी हेचें कामूय आमी चालीक लायलें. आनी आयज विदीन अ रिकॉर्ड टायम ऑफ 1 year कॉस्टिंग 103 crores, 103 कोटी. आनी हितून आमकां 90% फंडींग नाबार्डान केल्लो आहा. आनी खोशी भोगता म्हाका आयज की नाबार्ड आमकां 2.5%, 2.5% जी बँक आमकां 12% लोन दिता, 9%, 10%, 11-12% लोन दिता, ती नाबार्ड हे फायनान्शियल इन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया जे एग्रीकल्चर चड करून प्रमोट करता, हेणी आयज आमकां हो वेस्ट ट्रिटमेंट प्लांट 2.75%चेर हो आमकां लोन दिल्लो. आनी खऱ्यांनीच ह्यो इतले पयशे जो तर आमी चिंतलेले की सरकार घालतलो आसलो, हेका 5 वर्सां लागपाची. पयशे सायडीक काडप आनी कॉन्ट्रॅक्टराक फारीक करप, जाल्यार हो प्लांट बांदपाक 5 वर्सां लागपाची. हो इमिडिएटली जे आमकां पयशे लागले ते इमिडिएटली नाबार्डान आमकां दिले, आमी ते कॉन्ट्रॅक्टराक दिले आनी तेंच्यांनी हो प्लांट कंप्लीट केल्ले. गोवा वेस्ट मॅनेजमेंट कॉर्पोरेशन, वेस्ट मॅनेजमेंट मिनिस्ट्री इज वर्किंग डे एंड नायट टू सी दॅट ऑल द अदर प्लांट्स, असलोच प्लांट आमी सावथ गोवा काम स्टार्ट केलें. सँक्शन खूब पयलीं जाल्लो तो, जेन्ना आमी वेस्ट मॅनेजमेंट मिनिस्ट्री फॉर्म केली, आमी इमिडिएटली चालीक लायलो. तर देड 1 वर्स जालें कंप्लीट. आनी आतां फुडलीं 6 म्हयन्या भितर डिसेंबरान म्हटलेलें म्हाका दिसता 1-2-3 म्हयन्याचें काम उरलां थिंगा. विदीन 3 months वी वील कंप्लीट दॅट प्रोजेक्ट. सो सावथ गोवा जो आयज सगल्यो पंचायती, आयज सगल्यो पंचायती चिंता की आपलो वेस्ट खंय व्हरोन उडोवपाचो. तांकां एक सुविधा मेवतली, स्पेशली ऑल दॅट सांगे एरिया, कुर्चुरे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी, सांगे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी, काणकोण कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी, जे मोठ्या प्रमाणान बीच बेल्ट आहा थिंगा, पालोले, आगोंडा, ऑल दॅट एरिया एंड पार्ट्स ऑफ सालसेट ऑल्सो. ऑल दीस वेट वेस्ट कॅन गो देर फॉर सायंटिफीक ट्रिटमेंट. ते कन्स्ट्रक्शन डेब्री व्हरता आनी दोंगराचेर उडयता, शेतांनी उडयता. कोण काडटा आनी तोय पुरयता, तोयान व्हरोन रातचें घालप. कोणाकूच खबर ना. रोडारूच खाली केली. रोडाचे सायडीक खाली करतना अशें दिसलें की आपूण फाटीं पावलो, पूण अर्दो कचरो, अर्दो डेब्रीज रोडाचेर. हेचे खातीर आमी we went to Norway, Sweden, and we have seen a plant which हे सगळे डेब्रीज आहा, जे कन्स्ट्रक्शनाचे मटिरियल आहा, हे सगळे सेग्रिगेट करून ब्लॉक्स तयार करता. कन्स्ट्रक्शन ब्लॉक्स, टायल्स, एग्रिगेट, परतून एग्रिगेट हे जाता, तयार जाता. ग्रेवल स्टोन्स, खडी म्हणटात पळय ती खडी, जेन्ना स्लॅबाक घालता ती परतून खडी आमी तितूंतली काडटा कॉन्क्रिटानसून. असली मशिनरी आमी पयली स्टडी केली आनी तो प्लांट बिचोले घालपाक प्रक्रिया चालू केली. लँडूय आमी आमच्या ताब्यान घेतलें. कंपाऊंड वॉलाचें काम चालू आहा. पिसुर्ले इंडस्ट्रियल एस्टेटान आनेक प्लांट, हुंडई इंडस्ट्रियल एस्टेटान आनेक प्लांट, बायोमेडिकल वेस्ट ट्रिटमेंट प्लांट, सगळे हॉस्पिटलाचो वेस्ट जो वचोन खंयच्या तरी गार्बेज प्लांटान व्हरोन उडयताले, रोडाचे सायडीक उडोवप, दोंगराचेर व्हरोन उलोवप, हो सगळो आयज बरो ट्रिटमेंट प्लांट आमी बांदलेलो आहा कुंडई इंडस्ट्रियल एस्टेट. पिसुर्ले इंडस्ट्रियल एस्टेटीन ऑलमोस्ट काम ऑन कंप्लिशन स्टेज. सगलो हॅझार्डस वेस्ट, हे सगळे वेस्ट जे गोंयांत जनरेट जाता हे फायनली ट्रीट जावपाक जाय. आनी हेच्या खातीर सुप्रीम कोर्ट, नॅशनल ग्रीन ट्रिब्युनल आनी हायकोर्ट तिनूय कोर्ट हे मॉनिटर करता. ऑल दीस कोर्ट्स आर मॉनिटरींग and Goa is the first state in India to see that all this biomedical waste aso, household waste aso, commercial quantities of waste aso, construction debris of waste चे काम आमी स्टार्ट केले. हे बाकीचे सगळे वेस्ट ट्रिटमेंट फॅसिलिटीज आमी काम चालू केल्ले आहा. थोडे कंप्लिशन स्टेजीचेर आहा, थोडे काम आमी ऑलरेडी स्टार्ट केले. आनी म्हाका दिसता येता त्या टर्मान 2022चो जो टर्म जातलो तितून हे सगळे जे फॅसिलिटीज आमी आतां उलयल्या, हॅझार्डस वेस्ट आसूं, कंस्ट्रक्शन डेब्री वेस्ट आसूं, सावथ गोवाचो प्लांट आसूं, हे सगळे आमी स्टार्ट करतले. आनी लोकांक ही फॅसिलिटी एट अ व्हेरी नॉमिनल कॉस्ट. आयज विलेज पंचायत आमी ₹1 घेयना तेंचो, हिंगा वेस्ट हाडून ते दिता. बट वी रिक्वायर some help from the government, sir. Means we will have to do something for all the panchayats about the trucks. Some of them have funding to buy the trucks, but the trucks does not have a proper management where that leachate can come at one place. And I have requested Asolkar ji to bring one truck over here which is a say Ashok Leyland or any other company, and we will build it with one fabricator or whatever, and we'll show it as a model. This is the cost, and we will notify that cost and give it to director of panchayat and say let all the panchayats can buy this particular truck, and this is how the body should be built, where wet waste can go one side, dry waste can go one side. This is one of the reasons where Saligaon Panchayat keeps on writing to Pollution Control Board, and they say that a lot of leachate falls on the road, on the slopes, where they have a problem. A lot of wet waste comes in plastic bags. येयले ते की आमी गार्बेज मॅनेजमेंट फॅसिलिटी गोंयांत घालपा खातीर आमी वी आर गोईंग टू दीस कंट्री डॅट कंट्री सगळे भोंवन येयले. आमी आदीं पयल्या जंकीट टुवर्स म्हणटाले तेका. But we have given justice to this department. We have done state-of-the-art these treatment plants, one in North, South Goa. So by March, April, it will be ready for inauguration. And construction debris waste, which we are going to start now. Then biomedical waste is already started. Trial round complete जाल्ले आहा. Official inauguration ह्या दिसांनी केन्ना तरी जातले. बाकीचे सगळे आनीक जे वेस्ट आमकां ट्रिटमेंट फॅसिलिटीज जायो ह्या स्टेटीन, दी स्मॉल थिंग्स वॉट म्युन्सिपॅलिटीज आर डुईंग, दिस इज नॉट गोइंग टू वर्क. 5 टनाचो घातलो, 1 म्हयन्या नंतर ताका कोणूच पळयना. म्हापसा म्युनिसिपल कावन्सिलान घातला आतां, तेजे नंतर कोण पळोवचना ताका, कोणूच पळोवचना. तो वेस्ट व्हरतलो, वेट वेस्ट, आनी तेजेर डंप करतलो. तो प्लांट पासून दिसचो ना तुमकां. तो प्लांट घातला तो कोणा करतलो, तेजे वयल्यान वेस्ट येतलो. सो तुमकां काळजी घेवची पडटली. सगळे मेंबर आहा तुमी, रिस्पॉन्सिबल मेंबर्स. यू वील हॅव टू सी दॅट सेग्रिगेशन इज द की. सेग्रिगेट दॅट वेस्ट. वेट वेस्ट फुडें आमी घेतलो तुमचे. वी वील टेक युअर वेट वेस्ट, बट इट शूड नॉट बिकम अनदर डंप. वी हॅव क्लियर्ड युअर डंप नियरली 180,000 tons. So we will have to work on systems where we don't create any more dumps, and Pollution Control Board will have to monitor and give fines to such panchayats who do not comply with solid waste management rules of 2016. Waste to energy is a plant where right now RDF जे हिंगा तयार जाता ते आमी सिमेंट फॅक्टरीन धाडटा कर्नाटका. जे दिसा सिमेंट फॅक्टरी आमचे ते RDF घेवपाचे बंद करतले, कोविडान आमचे बंद केले आनी आमचे सगल्यो शेडी हिंगा आहा तितल्यो फूल जाल्यो. आमचे वेर्ना इंडस्ट्रियल एस्टेटान शेड आहा थिंगाय फूल जाली. सगळ्याक वयता थिंगा फूल जाल्यो बिकॉज दे वर नॉट एक्सेप्टिंग RDF फ्रॉम गोवा. एंड वी दिस वेस्ट टू एनर्जी प्लांट in the state of Goa, so that all the dry waste which is generated in the state can be treated over here into steam and electricity. This is also what we have seen in Norway. आमी जेन्ना स्टडी करपाक गेले, आमी नॉर्वे हो प्लांट पयला, स्विडनाक हो प्लांट पयला. बाब जोगलेकर जो आमच्या वांगडा आहा स्टार्टिंगसून आहा, from the time, like Sandeep and Joglekar, that is a team which worked from the beginning to see that this plant gets ready. Bab Joglekar, please stand, everybody has to see you. खूप काम केले सुशांत नाटकरनी. हे हो प्लांट आमचो हुंयसरूच टीम मेवची न्हू म्हणून काम केलें. सगल्यांक कावजानसून देव बरें करूं म्हणटा हांव. म्हाका दिसता खूप टायम
Minister for Science and Technology and Waste Management, Shri Parimal Rai sir, Chief Secretary Government of Goa, Shri Levinson Martins, MD of GWMC, Dattaprasad Dabolkar.
Now it is very the work over here. That is why we are insisting that every panchayat should have a special truck, half of the truck or a full truck for wet waste. So it comes, only wet waste comes up to here, and you just lift the truck up and the wet waste falls inside. And the truck can go in 2 minutes. Now the truck takes at least 20 minutes because they are bringing the wet waste in black bags, that is garbage bags. We don't want anybody to fill their waste in wet bags. Whatever the hotelier puts it in the bucket can be emptied straight into the container of the truck. So the container of the truck is very important. The dry waste can be just removed in one shade and wet waste can come here and just go, and the truck can just go out. So right now we have 2 spaces for wet waste. So this was very important. Earlier place was wet waste was being dumped on the tipping floor. Now the tipping floor has become a small little container over here where there is a machine which rolls it and takes it to the, it starts and it goes into the machine, and from there to the main exhaust, and it goes out at a very high level.